There's a new push to help kids battling mental health issues.
So experts say more kids are struggling, and the pandemic has only made things worse. News 6's Kirsten O'Connor explains how one local hospital is getting results for your health.
For the past 10 years, pediatricians have seen behavioral and mental health issues rise in kids. Now, health officials are calling childhood mental illness a national emergency. Dr. Thomas Lacey is the medical director at Nemours Children's Health.
What are you seeing in kids right now?
We're seeing a tremendous increase in depression and anxiety. Suicide has gone up.
Dr. Lacey says there are so many barriers to getting mental health services to elementary and teenage kids in Central Florida.
And then during the pandemic, it just worsened. We saw even an increased amount of anxiety, depression, isolation, things like that.
Using a grant, Nemours says it will soon be hiring 8 licensed mental health counselors to work inside 15 to 16 pediatric offices in Central Florida.
Walk us through what an appointment would look like. You bring your child in for just a wellness check, and then you end up talking to a therapist.
So when we do well visits, we do screening for problems, like you may be familiar with depression screening. If a child comes in for a problem and we determine it's an emotionally based problem, we'll have the ability to get that child to a counselor immediately. And that counselor may be in the office face to face. They may be in another office, so we can connect them through telehealth.
This would all happen from the comfort of a pediatric office, which Dr. Thomas says eliminates yet another barrier.
Some people have a stigma about going to the counselor. This way, you're going to your pediatrician's office, just like you've done many, many times before. And again, it's probably close to home.
He says when it comes to mental health, parents should trust their gut.
If you sense something is wrong, please go to your doctor and talk about it, and let us try to help figure out if there is.
Nemours plans for the integration of mental health services to begin in the spring of 2022. Getting results for your health, Kirsten O'Connor, News 6.
So Kirsten is helping you get into the rhythm of the mornings. Yeah, I know you're shaking it there on your couch right now. You can catch her every weekday morning, 4:30 a.m. until 7.